Algebra 1 Final Review Part 1. We're going to pick up with question 8. In question 8, you're given the following graph of a parabola, which is the graph of a quadratic function, and you're asked to find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. Important to realize that the vertex would be the turning point of the graph. Right here you're seeing x is increasing and the values of the output values are dropping until you get to here. And right here is the point in which it starts to turn back upward. The x is still increasing, but the output values are turning upward now and increasing. And that would be positive 1 for x, and then the y value would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So 1 comma negative 4 is your turning point. The x value of the vertex is the axis of symmetry. X equals 1 then. Question 9. Which point lies on the graph represented by the equation 3y plus 2x equals 8? And we're going to test out each point. Choice 1 is negative 2 comma 7, so we're going to plug an x, a negative 2 for x, and a 7 for y. 3 times 7 plus 2 times negative 2, does that equal 8? This is going to be 21. Minus 4, does that equal 8? It's 17, so that one's not the right answer. Test out choice 2, 0 comma 4. 3 times 4 plus 2 times 0, does that equal 8? 12 plus 0 equals 8. That's not the case. 12 does not equal 8. Test out choice 3. 2 comma negative 4. And again, the function that we're using, or the linear equation, is 3y plus 2x equals 8. That's what we're testing. So 3 times 4 plus 2 times 2, does that equal 8? 12 plus 4, does it equal 8? No, it's 16. Choice 3 is not the right answer. Choice 4, 7 comma negative 2. 3 times negative 2 plus 2 times 7, does that equal 8? Negative 6 plus 14, does that equal 8? Negative 6 plus 14 is 8, and that does equal 8. So choice 4 is the right answer. Question 10. In question 10, what is the solution to the system of linear equations? The solution would be the point of intersection of these two lines. And that would be right here, which would be at negative 1 comma negative 2. Choice 3. Which represents a function? We're looking for one of these that passes the vertical line test. If we draw a vertical line through here, it passes through 2 points, so that's not a function. If we pass a vertical line through this graph, it passes 2 points, so that's not a function. If we pass the vertical line through this vertical line, that's going to have many solutions, so that's not going to pass the vertical line test. However, the horizontal line in choice 4 is a function, because if I draw a vertical line through any point of these graphs, it would only hit one time. And choice 12, which scenario is an exponential function? Choice 1, a swimming pool is filled at a rate of 1 gallon per minute. So an exponential function would not have a constant rate of change. This one does have a constant rate, so that's not an exponential function. Number 2, a vine grows 4 inches every day, another one that has a rate, a constant rate. A population doubles, keyword there, each month. This is the exponential case. When something's doubling or tripling or halving, or you're cutting something in thirds each time, the outputs, that is a case of exponential. And the next one, a car increases its distance from the garage as it travels at a constant speed. Right there's the key phrase. It's a constant rate of 30 miles per hour. That one also has a constant rate, so those are all linear. All the other 3 choices are linear, but choice 3 is exponential.